Imagine being 90 and still tying your own shoes, walking to the mailbox without pain, or gardening on a sunny morning. Not as a dream, but as your daily life. In Japan, especially in Kyoto's longevity clinics, there's one movement that makes this possible. It's called the cat-cow pose, and it's your daily spinal massage. Here's why this matters. Your spine is more than a column of bones. It's your body's communication highway, connecting your brain to every muscle, joint, and organ. As we get older, that highway stiffens, the back becomes rigid, movement slows, and pain gradually creeps in. But the cat-cow pose reverses this. It restores healthy motion between every vertebra, lubricating your spine, improving your posture, and stimulating your spinal cord, which plays a key role in balance and coordination. It also activates your core in a gentle, protective way. This gentle movement flows between two shapes: cow, where you arch your back, and cat, where you round it. It's not just about flexibility, it's about keeping your spine young, mobile, and pain-free. In Japan, cat-cow is often practiced with slow, controlled breathing as a form of mindful movement. Studies show that this style of mindful movement can reduce stress hormones and even support memory and mood in seniors. Think of it as both spinal care and brain care. Here's how to do it. Start on all fours, wrists under shoulders and knees under hips. Inhale as you arch your back, lifting your head and tailbone upward. That's cow pose. Exhale as you round your spine, tucking your chin and pelvis inward. That's cat pose. Move slowly and smoothly between the two, letting your breath guide the pace. Repeat for about 10 full breaths, that's 1 to 2 minutes. Let the movement come from your entire spine, not just your lower back. Pro tip: try cat-cow first thing in the morning or right before bed to melt away stiffness. If your wrists are sensitive, place your forearms on a sturdy chair or bed and perform the movement from there. This isn't just a stretch. It's a daily ritual that keeps your spine fluid, your core engaged, and your brain connected to your body. Japanese elders practice this because they know that a flexible spine equals a flexible life. Here's my question for you. Do you wake up with back stiffness or pain? Or does your spine feel tight throughout the day? Drop your answer in the comments. I reply to everyone. And if this opened your eyes to spinal health, hit that subscribe button. We're revealing the movements Japanese elders use to stay pain-free. Keep your spine young, keep your life flexible.